Hi, my name is Colton Burton with Gentech USA. Today we're going to be talking about maintenance for a liquid-cooled generator. So this right here is a 48 kW Kohler. It's a really nice unit, so we want to make sure that it's very well taken care of. This is the air filter right here, which we change out on every maintenance, as well as completing a 30-point inspection. It's similar to an air cool, but a little bit more in depth because it's a more complex system. So we check you got the oil dipstick right here. We change the oil on it, goes in there. You got your spark plugs right here. It's 4 on each side. You got your belt. We make sure that's in good working order. It's not all scratched up or anything, or dry rotted or anything. And then this liquid cooled unit right here, we check all the components on that, making sure the generator is getting cooled down enough. Let's see. Let's go over here. Let's take a look at what else we complete. We check your battery. Make sure your battery is always ready to go, producing the proper amount of voltage. Here's your other 4 spark plugs right here as well, and your oil filter. So we change all that stuff out, make sure everything's working perfectly, ready to go by our certified technicians here at Gentech USA.